Hello students, in this video we will discuss Bezier curves and surfaces. It is one of the mathematical defined approach for smooth curve construction. It is developed by the French engineer Pierre Bezier. It is used in the design of Renault automobile bodies. It is useful in CAD, GL on silicon graphics, etc. Its application includes vector graphics, advanced animations, etc. This Bezier curve has initial position, terminating position, and two separate middle points. Based on these control points, we can draw this curve, and this curve will be called as tangent. We can draw 2-point curve, and it will be called as linear of degree 1. 3-point curve, it can be called as parabolic or quadrilateral, and it will be of degree 2. If 4 points, it will be cubic and of degree 3. The degree is nothing but the number of control points minus 1. These curves are based on control points only, but the points are not always present on the curve. It can be somewhere away also. We need to note these 2 points. It always passes through the first and last point. It lies within the convex hull of the control points. See this diagram. This P1 and P4 are initial point and terminating position. It is called anchor nodes. And these two will be called as handles. Let's see an example. The given problem is the coordinates of 4 control points relative to the curve are given by 4 points P1, 220, P2, 230. This is XYZ like that. P3, 330 and P4, 320. 4 points are given. The question is, write the equation of the Bezier curve. Also, find the coordinate pixels of the curve for u equal to 5 values given, 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Also plot Bezier curve. Let's see the solution here. These are the 4 points given. So let it be P1, P2, P3 and P4. P1, X1, Y1, Z1, 2, 2, 0. P2, X2, Y2, 0, Z2. P3 will be X3, Y3, Z3 and X4, Y4, Z4. These are the 4 points given, and we need to write the parametric equation for the Bezier curve for these 3 things x, y and z. The equation is as follows: x4u cube plus 3x3 u square 1 minus u plus 3x square u 1 minus u square plus x1 1 minus u cube. Similarly for y equal to y4 u cube plus 3 y3 u square 1 minus u plus 3 y square y2 u 1 minus u square plus y1 1 minus u cube. For z equal to z4 u cube plus 3 z3 u square 1 minus u plus 3 z2 u 1 minus u square plus z1 1 minus u cube. So this is the formula. So we need to substitute the values of all these x, y and z values as well as u values in this formula in order to get the Bezier curve. So first we will start with x. X equal to x4 will be this thing. And so x4 is 3 u cube plus 3 into this x3, this 3 u square 1 minus u plus 3x square, this area x square x2. So x2, so 3 into 2 u 1 minus u square plus 2 1 minus u the whole cube. 2 is x1, this value. Okay, for x1 you need to substitute this, x2 this, x3 this and x4 this, similarly y and z respectively. So by substituting like this, we are getting an equation for x as this thing, y as this, and 0. If we start substituting, z4 is 0. So this thing full is 0. Z3 is 0. So this term is 0. Z2 is 0. So this term is also 0. And Z1 is also 0. So the entire Z is 0. So no values in Z. So we need to consider only x and y. Automatically Z is 0. Now we need to substitute all the given u values in this thing. Let it be equation number 1. And we need to substitute u values. So u equal to 0 means automatically all the x, y, z and all these 3 values will be 0. When u equal to 1 by 4, you substitute in the place of u 1 by 4 in equation 1. So all the places of u will be replaced by 1 by 4, and finally after calculating you will be getting this value 2.156, y for 2.56 and z is 0. Similarly you need to substitute u equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1, 3 by 4 in equation 1 and 1 in equation 1. So you will be getting 3 different points values like this, 2.5, 2.75 and 2.84, 2.56 and then last one 3, 2. Okay, now we need to, we are going to plot the points using these values. Okay, so let us draw a graph with the x and y and z axis. Z is 0, so no need to worry about that. So while considering all the points are within 2 to 3, the value between 2 and 3. So so this value and this value, this area. Okay, so the curve must be drawn between this area and this area. So let's divide the 2 and 3 into 4 equal values. Okay, so 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. Similarly here also. First point, let's plot. This will be the first point, second point, third point and fourth point. Okay, so this is the initial position. So initial position is what will be the value? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 we need to look. So this is the 1 by 4 value. X will be 2.156 and y will be 2.56. So 2.156 somewhere here and 2.56 halfway. Okay. Next we need to plot u equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the values will be 2.5, 2.75. So 2.5 means exactly middle between 2 and 3. So 2.5. 2.75 means upper area. Okay. So the curve is going upper. Then the third one is u equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 what's the value? 2.84, 2.56. So x-axis this area and y 2.56 somewhere middle. So this point. And the last one is u equal to 1. So what will be the value? 3 and 2. So exact 3, exact 2. Okay, this will be the terminating position. So using these 4 control points, we can able to draw the Bezier curve. Okay, thank you.